Turkey continues to demonstrate capabilities in producing fighter drones. The so-called Kızılelma stealth drone prototype has the extremely fierce combat capability of Bayraktar TB2. Turkish media claimed that the Bayraktar Kızılelma stealth drone aircraft system was based on the production experience gained in the development of Bayraktar Ikinci. This is part of meeting the needs of the Turkish Air Force in the future. The management of the Turkish company announced the start of the project and production of the prototype level. According to preliminary estimates, Bayraktar Kızılelma will make its first flight in 2023. Bayraktar Kızılelma will be a jet-powered, single-engined, stealth-capable, supersonic speed, and capable of being launched from an aircraft carrier. Bayraktar Kızılelma is designed capable of taking off and landing on board aircraft carriers. The drone will carry and use all the 1,500 kilograms of ammunition developed nationwide by Turkish engineers. This capability became such a great force for the Turkish military that it did not depend on the production of other countries. Bayraktar Kızılelma, designed to be able to air for 5 hours with a mission radius of 500 nanometers, also has a high awareness of the situation with the most advanced radar today, AESA. The Bayraktar Kızılelma unmanned fighter, which is larger and faster, said Selçuk Bayraktar.